Hello and good morning together. It's another beautiful day here in Turkey. So I just got up, had some breakfast here, and now it's just about packing up my stuff again. And I've also been joined by some cows already. I don't know, they just appeared in the morning. So enjoy a quick time lapse of me picking up all my stuff, and then let's get back on the road. The next 2 days I will probably spend in a hotel to just relax a bit and do some video editing. Hello and good morning together. As you can see, I packed up everything. The cows are still around me here everywhere. Let's get on the road.
Leave me only waiting.
Hey, editor not here. I can't really understand what Joe is saying right here, but I think it's because of this small, weird car. So, hey, look at this small, weird car. Haha, funny.
Yeah, you can fit 2 people in there and it's extremely cheap.
Caffeine, 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 what did you do to me? What did you do?
Past Samsung a bit later. I don't know, name is very funny. Like if you just put a G behind it, you have the brand Samsung. Just found it funny. To be fair, on this day not too much more happened.
Sliding through my day with a migraine. Morning and night always goes sideways. Building up in my blood, watch the overflow. Mantra chakra in the crack pot. Head is spinning from what's coming down. 1 cup, 2 cups spilling out. Higher thought and deeper grounds. Caffeine, 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 what did you do?